Hey everybody, so it's ShaggyBox. Sparrow is out. She had oral surgery to get her wisdom teeth pulled out, so I'm going to be just guessing the prices of her makeup. These are things that she wanted to include for her Sephora sale. I'm not exactly sure of the details, but she'll probably put something in a box somewhere around here or just here. So I'm just gonna pull things out and we're gonna go from there. See, I don't even know what it is most of it. This is, I'm not gonna pronounce it because I can't, but it says Vino Perfect, sounds like wine. It says Essence Concentrate. I'm thinking this is just like a thing you put on your face and it's supposed to brighten your face, like give you more, like a glow. I have no clue what this would cost, but it's in a glass bottle, so it makes me think it's expensive. It's probably around $50. That. Next item. This is the Bobbi Brown. It's a palette. Oh god, they already. It's highlighter. I know highlighter is expensive, and I know Bobbi Brown is expensive, so I would say like something around $65, right? This is the Boscia Charcoal Mattifying Makeup Setting Spray. I see this a lot in all the videos that I've edited for her. She likes it. That's why it's almost empty. I've seen Boscia products. I've even wanted to try some, but I think I have some of the skincare stuff, but not a lot. But this stuff is pretty cool. I've seen it work, so it's probably pretty good. I'd say this is somewhere around $40, $45. This is pink. Exfoliating Swipe Eyes. Foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. Are these just pads? Is that what they are? No, it's like a brick of cylindrical something, I don't even know. I have no clue what this even does. Removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and moisturizes in a flash without harsh scrubbing. I mean, it sounds nice. Packaging's kind of plasticky. Container looks okay. I would say it'd be a fair thing to cost $20, but I don't know the formula of this and if it's any good or not, or if it's a good brand. I don't even know the brand really. It just says go-to, maybe that is it. So I would say somewhere around $20. This is the Tatcha Silk Skin Canvas. I know this is expensive. She like literally gets like the tiniest pea thing, and it has almost nothing in it, but it's still expensive. This is somewhere in the $50 to $60 range for sure. It's nice, I like the packaging, it's really high quality. I don't know how effective it is, but it makes her feel good, so that's cool. This is more Tatcha. Luminous Deep Hydrating Firming Eye Serum. When I hear the word serum, it equals expensive to me. But I don't know in this packaging, because usually serums come in like these little glass, little container things that I've seen. Those usually, I see them go anywhere from like $60 to like $120. But I don't know how much this would cost. The packaging isn't as nice as the silk canvas packaging, because this is like a little plastic tube. But because it's Tatcha, I would say it's probably around $40. I'm not sure. Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Glow Recipe. It's a makeup erasing and deep cleansing product. It smells like blueberries. This is, I don't see like a really big brand on it anywhere. I'm not sure what it would come from. But it looks like a nice little thing just to clean your face. I'd say under 20, over 10.
I just want to remind you, everything that you're picking up is sold in Sephora. Think of what your credit card statement looks like after I go to Sephora.
Alright, next is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So, this stuff right here. Too Faced. I know Too Faced. It's not super high-end, but it's really nice either way. It's not like on the high end of the spectrum, but it's not cheap either. It's like somewhere in the middle. Probably in the higher end of the middle. I know concealer can be expensive. Usually around $40 to $60 depending on the brand. I would say this is put it around $45, but the packaging is kind of nice. I don't know if this is glass, probably is. It feels like a plastic more, but it looks decent. I don't even know if I'm opening it or if I'm breaking it. No, I'm opening it. Anise Bite Multi-Stick. These things go for like 25 bucks, I think. I see a little stand in Sephora. They have a lot of them there. It's like, and they're all the same color. So I don't even know how you tell the difference sometimes, other than looking at the bottom, but that seems like a pain. Next is the Scattered Light Glitter Shadow Smoke. It's by Hourglass, so it's this thing. Yeah. It looks nice. I know Hourglass is, God, I just got shine all over the table. I eat here. I would call this around 30 bucks. Next is Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick. So, probably gonna be hard to read, but
You can open it.
Anastasia Beverly Hills is a pretty nice brand. It's a color that I see literally on all other lipsticks, but this one's probably nice. Lipstick's like 25 bucks, right? 20, 25 bucks. This is something that I've never seen before in my life. Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Oh, it's more of Glow Recipe. That's the brand, I guess. So, it's a sleeping mask item. It's really nice packaging. It looks like it's been used a lot, or maybe it just came with a little. I don't even know how to open. Yeah. Smells cool. A cucumber? Well, watermelon, right? Anyway, this is really nice. It looks cool. I don't know how effective it would be. Glowing radiance, softening. I mean, I wouldn't really care about glowing at night when I'm sleeping, but it might help you. Anyway, this looks expensive, so I would say somewhere in the $7 range. It's a cream by somebody. I can't pronounce that, but you're gonna have to just trust yourselves. Protini Polypeptide Cream. It's a strengthening and moisturizer. I don't even know how does this. I'm not even gonna try. I don't know how this opens. It looks nice. Drunk Elephant, is that the brand? Maybe. I would. This is just like a moisturizer, right? I would suspect a moisturizer, but in this kind of packaging, to go for like around $35 to $40. That's just a guess, because I don't even know this brand. I don't know if they're high end or not. But the packaging looks decent. It's like it's all plastic, but it's like a solid matte plastic. And that's it. I've never done one of these before. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Sparrow will be back hopefully by next week while she recovers. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed me, let us know. If you didn't, I'll just stick to the computer, it's fine. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.